Charlie Puth is the new chief music coordinator, I think I'm reading that right, for a company called Moises Studio AI. This is a very similar company to Suno, and a lot of people, as with anything AI, are kind of freaking out. You know, it's the end of music, musicians, music producers are cooked, you know, things like that. But apparently, and this is just me researching the company a little bit, I'm watching videos and I'm reading up about it. It's supposed to be more so less click and develop a full song and more about generating stems and lines that work with your song.
There is the AI match feature, which allows stems that are generated to follow your performance. Think of it as a bandmate who adapts to you instead of the other way around. Then there are style presets. So if you want your track to lean more funk, rock, lo-fi, or electronic, these presets will give you an instant genre alignment. Now, thirdly, there is the reference audio option, which allows you to drop in a track that maybe you admire, and then the AI studies it to create stems that echo that vibe.
To me, that sounds very similar to what Suno already does, you know, given you give it the right prompt and things like that. But the one thing that catches me off guard a little bit is some of the features, and that's the stem separation, which, you know, I mean, if you don't have stem separation, then, you know, what's the point? But it's the lack of guardrail. Yes, I call that a feature because that allows you to just put anybody's music in these tools and have it analyze it, have it train on it. They haven't said that it trains on it, but it's training on it, okay? So that seemed to be like quite a big feature in both of the videos that I watched. Now, one was from a guy on YouTube, I don't know his name too well, and the other one was from Zaytoven.
Man, what's so crazy is when I play something on the piano, I can't never replay it the same way. So capturing something like this is perfect for somebody like me. Cause I just be spontaneous, I just be playing, so to get that all over again, say, you know, let me snatch that. Cause I know I can't play it exactly like that no more. The cool thing that I like about Moises is you can take any song, you can take any clip. I mean, I can go on my phone and get something that has music in it. I can put it in Moises and separate it, pull out the drum, the snare, the piano.
Now, granted, a lot of times when these interviews are done, they're cut, they're chopped, things are taken out of context. So I could be listening to a fragment of what he was saying and then they splice it back together and my interpretation could be off. But when I think about these AI tools, it's like I'm all for tech. I like tech. I don't know anyone who doesn't like tech and advancements in technology, but at the same time, it really just sounds like it's the same old stuff. You know, people getting ripped off, or let me correct that. Presenting the ability for people to be ripped off. I don't know. Let me know what you think.